Hello, it's Dinchi and welcome back to another quick tutorial in After Effects. So this is for the absolute beginners. If you know anything about After Effects, this is your cue to skip this video. Right. So when you want to start animating something, let's say you somehow successfully managed to import this character into the program. You want to start animating. What do you want to do when you animate? You want to rotate, you want to scale, you want to change opacity, and maybe move an object. But how do you do that? So if you just select her head and then you rotate it, the head does indeed rotate, but nothing happens animation wise. The head just stays in the same place. So in order to start animating, you have to understand what are keyframes. So you can just click this triangle down here, click the triangle under the transform whole animatable things, set a keyframe here. So now the rotation is minus 5.3, and that's where we see her head, right? So let's say you move a second down in the timeline and then you rotate it a little bit. And now when you play the video, you'll see that the rotation animates. And this is exactly the same for any other thing. You want her eyes to close, so how would you animate closing eyes? You know, there's a cheap way, you just scale them. So let's press S to show the scale keyframes. We set the original keyframes here. Let's say we move 20 frames into the animation and then we just scale down the eyes. You would never actually do this in any real animation, but you know, maybe you're on a budget and you just have to animate closing of the eyes on the cheap. And actually let's make it 10 frames because blinking eyes should be a lot quicker. And let's say on the 20th frame we can just copy the original keyframes where her eyes were open, and now she's gonna move her head and she's gonna blink. And it's that simple, and that's how it works for anything. So you wanna move her head right off her shoulders for some ungodly reason. But you would go down to the position keyframe. You set the keyframe where you want it to start. Then 1 second later, let's say we move the head all the way here. And as you can see, now the head is going to be animated flying off her shoulders. And there is a whole bunch of other more complicated things, but for starters, this is just understanding what keyframes are and how to actually set up an animation in After Effects if for some reason you decided to use this program in 2026. Anyway, that's that, and I'll see you next time.